Hello. I'm back again. I'm at Burlington, where quality is attainable, where good designers is attainable. All right, let's see what they have in the store. Black Friday is still happening almost everywhere, but yeah, things are already down. Let's see what we'll see. All right, look at this bag. This is so cute. The color is so cute. This is so feminine for 14.99. And let me show you who made this. Look at this. Yeah, not a popular brand. And here we have this clutch bag. I'll call it a clutch bag. Yeah. Okay, and this was $79. And this is by BB for 16.99. Okay. More bags here. This is another one by Juicy Couture for 27.99. Okay, all right. And down here is a force for shoulder bag with this chain. Yeah, by Steve Madden. And this was $88. Today you get this for 24.99. Down here is another one by Steve Madden. I love the color. And this is on sale for $22.39. I love the gold hardware on this. It looks expensive. Look at that. Yeah, it looks expensive. Okay. Yeah. Behind here you get more colorful bags. Look at this. This is by Madden Girl. And this one, let's check out the price for this. This was 48. Today you get a 17.99. More bags. Yeah, I got something like this the last time I was in the store. I love the structure. Okay, let's check out the price. Store price for this is by this brand. Okay, and store price is $22.99. Down here is another. This is a good crossbody bag, my Anna Klein. And this one was $58. Today you get for $16.99. This is another one. Okay, I love this size. This is more casual. And this one was 48 and you get for 17.99 by Nightingale. This is by Nightingale. Okay. Up here is this bag, very small bag for $12.99. Okay. All right. Here we have this backpack by Tommy with coins purse. I love the color. It's burgundy, of course. We are doing this season. And this was $128. Today you get it for $34.99 in the store. Interesting. And here we have another bag. Look at this with 4 foot protective bird for $12.99. More colorful bags, transparent backpack. All right, and down here is tote bags for $22.99. Let me take you to clothing section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, to clothing section. Let's see what they have. I am looking at this one. Yeah. Look what I'm looking at here. Isn't this given? This is so cool. Okay. Yeah, I love the color and I love the button closure. This is by Express. Express. Look at that. For $39.99. Don't play with this brand. The quality is good. Yeah, okay. And the hair, of course, it's all about the season. This is 16.99. And more sweaters. This is nicely cropped. And this is by this brand. Okay. Yeah, and this is 19.99. I don't like mentioning all brands because I don't want to murder it. That's why I'm trying my best to, you know, bring my camera very close so you can, you know, see it yourself. And this is by this brand. Okay, and these are in size small. Look at this sweater. I'm loving what is happening on this. The colors on this speaks me. And this is 22.99, nicely done, with silver zip closure by this brand. Okay, yeah. The store is so busy, of course. Yeah, a lot of people are in the store. Look at this one for $12.99 in size medium. Let's check out the brand. Okay, yeah, and here, yeah, this is all about the season. And this one is $12.99 by this brand. Okay, through South. And here is another. I'm looking for this type of top. Is really luxurious. Let me bring it close. Right, this looks like all you can get at a very high price for $13.99. If I see it in my size, I wouldn't mind. Interesting. Of course, this is all about the season. Look at that. The quality, yeah, on this one is very good. And this one is $24.99. Let's check out the brand, of course. Of course, we don't need to mix that part. But this brand, don't play. Look, don't play. Yeah, and this was $88. Today you get for $24.99. Here we have the CK sweater. This is light. I love it. This was $89. Today you get it for $29.99. Another CK sweater. Look at that. Yeah, they don't play. They don't play. They don't play. Okay, and this was $79.50. You get it for $24.99. Yeah, come on, CK. They are very good. And this one is Rebellious. This is by Rebellious One. Okay, let's come close. And this is $7.99. Okay, after this, I'll take you to gift section. Let's see what we can grab from there. Look at this. I'm loving the color combo on this one. Interesting turtleneck. This is so classic. I love it. For $14.99. Interesting. Okay. Two gifts. Okay. Look at this. This is new in the store. This is interesting luxury bedtime set with plush throw and super soft socks. Alright, so here you get the plush throw, a pair of socks, candle, body lotion, room and pillow mix. Okay, and yeah, the packaging is so good for $24.99. It's new in the store. And here we have another one. Look at this. Alright, yeah. Interesting set for $24.99 as well. Okay. All right, look what I'm looking at here. This is very good by Tahari. Look at this for $7.99. Oh, I love the sheets. Look at this. Feeling good. 14-piece nail polish collection. Wow. Wow. Just for $7.99. This brand, tell me, this is a good gift. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. And here is another one. Look at this. Woman sale purse. And this one is $12.90. More gifts. Okay. Look at this one. This is 3-piece ultimate food care set. And this is $12.99. Okay. And here is another one. Interesting Doulos Bats gift collection. Alright, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.